Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for quiz number 5 of our music theory quiz series, which presents a step-by-step approach to mastering music theory, starting with the basics and gradually progressing to more advanced concepts. These quizzes are all about having fun while you learn. Quiz number 5 features specific questions about the letter names of the notes on the bass clef. If you haven't seen the first 4 quizzes, click on this link to check out our playlist for quizzes number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you love music quizzes and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates on more music theory quizzes. Let's get started with quiz number 5. Question number 1. What do you call this clef? A, the F clef, B, the bass clef, or C, both of the above? And the answer is C, both of the above. Question number 2. What is the name of this note? C, F, or G? And the answer is F. Question number 3. What is the name of this note? A, E, or G? And the answer is A. Question 4. What is the name of this note? B, D, or E? And the answer is E. Question 5. What is the name of this note? D, A, or F? And the answer is A. Question 6. What is the name of this note? E, D, or G? And the answer is G. Question 7. What is the name of this note? G, C, or A? And the answer is C. Question 8. What is the name of this note? B, G, or A? And the answer is B. Question 9. What is the name of this note? B, E, or D? And the answer is D. Question 10. What is the name of this note? D, F, or C? And the answer is F. Question 11. What is the name of this note? C, A, or G? And the answer is G. Question 12. What is the name of this note? A, B, or G? And the answer is B. Question 13. What is the name of this note? F, E, or C? And the answer is C, or for the bass clef, middle C. Question 14. Which of the notes below is B? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 1. Question 15. Which of the notes below is G? Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 3. Question 16. Which of the notes below are both C's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 2 and 4. Question 17. Which of the notes below are both F's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 2 and 5. Question 18. Which of the notes below are not D's? And the answer is number 1, 2, 4, and 5. Question 19. Which of the notes below are both B's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 2 and 4. Question 20. Which of the notes below are both A's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is number 2 and 3. Question 21. What word do these notes form? Age, bag, or bed? And the answer is bed. Question 22. What words do these notes form? Badge, decaf, or face? And the answer is decaf. What words do these notes form? Bead, deaf, or feed? And the answer is bead. Question 24. What word do these notes form? Fed, egg, or bad? And the answer is egg. Question 25. What word do these notes form? Cafe, fade, or cage? And the answer is cafe. Question 26. What word do these notes form? Bead, face, or beef? And the answer is face. And our last question for quiz number 5, question 27. What word do these notes form? Cafe, fade, or edge? And the answer is edge. So remember, if you love music quizzes and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates on more music theory quizzes. See you in quiz number 6.